So Matilda visits here at Blarney Castle. It is a great place to come. It has lots to offer. Might seem a little bit expensive at 18 euros per adult, but if you do explore everything, it really does pay off. We just went to the Stone Garden and that was really great fun. There's a playground here for little kids.
That's a castle. 2 queens.
Blarney Castle sits directly on an 8-year cliff of rock that form the core building.
It's all the things that you like, Matilda.
You can't really go up there, can you?
Yes, look at this.
Wow.
Look up, Matilda. You know, this used to be the Earl's bedchamber. So maybe where you are, there used to be a little bed. That was the kitchen, Leander.
Apparently kissing the Blarney Stone gives you the gift of eloquence. Let's see if that's true. See? It's very...
That is a super steep spiral case, isn't it? We made it to the top! Yoo-hoo! So darling, how was that experience kissing the Blarney Stone?
It was actually pretty scary because it's very hard. It's hard to reach it actually. Because they had that mat there for you to sit on. My jacket was actually slipping on it, so I really felt like I was going to fall. Yeah.
And now, what do you have more than what you had before?
I think it probably takes 24 hours to come into effect.
See, Matilda, you have to walk backwards with your eyes closed, and the witch will grant you a wish. We are driving along the Ring of Kerry, which is a breathtaking road taking in sort of the outer, you know, the coast of the west side of Ireland. Yes, that's right, we're already on the west side of Ireland.
Colourful water? Or too cold to go in the water? Where are we then, Matilda?
We're in Ireland, west coast, Ring of Kerry. That's what it's called, and it's magnificent. Look at the weather! Hello. Oh, I have heard face, but nevertheless we are in Killarney with Matilda visits. We are on our way to find a good restaurant. As all, what do you say, Matilda, when you're hungry? My belly is starving. What did you see, Matilda?
I see a big birdie there on the house.
Have you found a nice place for dinner yet, my darling?
There's lots to choose from, isn't there?